Another aft engine chore that I do when I have the back end off here is I clean the seawater strainer, which is located right there. So undo these wing nuts. Don't drop those. So here we are. This is the strainer. And it's basically full of pine needles and things since there's a lot of pine trees. So I'm going to go wash this out somewhere and then come back and put it back in. Okay, I've cleaned it out. Good spraying with a hose nozzle. And I'm just going to set it back in there. Like that. And now I'm going to set the cap back on. Guess I should check the gasket first. You can buy these gaskets to replace this old one. Go ahead and put it back on there. As it is now, I really have to loosen up this one. Dry it off. Yeah, it's leaking. I can see the water is still streaming out of the thing. So I don't know if I need to tighten it more or maybe even up the tension on the two bolts. Probably need to loosen this up first, then loosen this one a bit. I'll tighten them a little bit more evenly. I hope my gasket's not bad. Oh wait, I think I got it. I think I'm leak free. The next step for me is to open the seawater inlet. See if any water pressure causes a leak to occur. I don't see any drips or anything. I look down below. It's wet down there from the change, but I can still clean that back up. All right.